Hey guys, we're going to do a very quick, short video here about Investigation 8 because it does show up as number 18 on your test. So I'm going to talk just a tiny bit about the investigation and then we'll go over number 18 and then I'll have another video about the review. So let's go ahead. Investigation 8 is all about patterns, finding patterns in what's going on in the world, how we add numbers, and lots of different things. One big example that they use is adding consecutive numbers, okay? If you've been with me, I've sometime, I think, have talked about this. Sometimes it's in middle school, so sorry if you haven't seen this. If you're wanting to add the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, can you do that really quickly? Okay, and there's a formula. I generally start just to write them, okay? And we could write plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10, but I don't want to write them all out that direction. Could I put them underneath each other? After I've written half of them, so we did 5 plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10. Could I add them this direction? 1 plus 10 is 11, 2 plus 9 is 11, 8 plus 3 is 11, 4 plus 7 is 11, and 5 plus 6 is 11, right? So now how do we add 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11? We can simply say it's 5 times 11, which is 55, okay? So if I wanted to add the numbers 1 through 100, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Do you really think I'm going to write them all the way to 100? No, I'm not. I'm going to stop. But it's going to be dot, dot, dot. Okay? And then I'm going to have the last number that I want to add, which is 100. Plus 99, plus 98, plus 97. I'm going to see if these are all going to add to be the same thing. 100 plus 1 is 101. 99 plus 2 is 101. Yeah, you got it. They're going to all add to 101. The biggest question is, how many of those do we have? Yeah, you're right. There's 50 of them. So 50 times 101, I believe, is 5,050. I'm pretty sure. Okay? So, how can we add these numbers? There's a formula. I'm not greatly concerned about remembering a formula, but you're going to do it's the number you're going to, 100, divided by 2. That's where you get this 50. You're in, so 100 divided by 2 is going to give me that number in front, whatever number you're going to. 1 to a 10, 1 to 10, 10 divided by 2 was 5. Okay, and then you're going to find what is the sum of all the numbers. Okay, so that is going to be this 101. Well, all of them are 101, but it's this 100 plus 1. Okay, will give me the second number. This was 10. 10 plus 1 gives me 11. So it's n over 2 times n plus 1. There's a formula if you want to do that, okay? So that's a pattern, okay? It's a wonderful thing to know that we don't use a ton, but it's something good to know that's always there, okay? So let's get to number 18. Number 18 says the rule for the number of line segments L, so we're talking about line segments, between n non-collinear points, so points that are not on a line, in terms of the number of line segments between n minus 1 points, denoted as all this stuff you don't have to know that's just there to confuse you. How many line segments can be drawn? So here we go. I'm going to put 9 people. If we are in class, I make 9 people stand up, okay? And I'm going to say, okay, now we're going to shake hands, aka the line segments. D, E, F, G. I believe that's 9 people. So 9 people are standing around in a circle, and we say, all right, I want everyone to shake hands with everyone else. but you can only shake hands one time. So A is going to shake hands with B, aka line segment 1. How many line segments can be drawn? So A is going to shake hands with every other person at this party. Okay, how many handshakes did letter A or person A, or we call him Adam, whatever, how many handshakes did he have? Or how many line segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines or 8 handshakes. Okay, let's do a different color. So now B is going to shake hands with everybody. Well, is B going to shake hands with letter A? Adam? No. I'm going to say Bob. Bob is not going to shake hands with Adam because he already has. There's already a line there. So we can't draw that same line again. So B will shake hands with Chad and David and Eric and Fred and Greg and Harry and Ireland. Okay? How many handshakes, aka line segments, did B have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines or handshakes. Okay? Well, now C, Charlie. I don't know what I called him earlier. Is he going to shake hands with Brad or Adam? No, those line segments have already been done. Okay? So Chad is going to, or Charlie, I keep going to say different things. We're going to shake hands with David and Eric and Fred and Greg and Harry and Ireland. How many handshakes did letter C or Charlie have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Okay? We're starting to get the picture of what's going on. Now David is going to shake hands. He's already shaken hands with Charlie and Brad and Adam. So he needs to shake hands with Eric and Fred and Greg and Harry and Ireland. I never said, did they shake hands with themselves? No. So how many handshakes or line segments did David have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines or handshakes. Okay, keep them going down my line of different colors. David, we did. Now Eric. Eric has already shaken hands with Adam and Brad and Charlie and David. So now he's going to shake hands with Fred and Greg and Harry and Ireland. You see how this is working? How many handshakes did he have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines or 4 handshakes. Okay, we have it done blue. Now we're at Fred. Fred needs to shake hands. Okay, he's already shaken hands with everybody before him, Adam and Brad and Charlie and David and Eric. So he just needs to shake hands with Greg and Harry and Ireland. How many handshakes did he have? 1, 2, 3. 3 lines or 3 handshakes. I've already done green. I've not done orange. So now Greg is needing to shake hands. He's already shaken hands with everybody on the right. So he needs to shake hands with Harry and Ireland. How many lines is that? Getting a lot easier to count, huh? Now Harry is last. And Harry is going to be yellow. Who has he not shaken hands with? Ireland. How many handshakes does he need? Just 1. What about Ireland? She's left. And she's already shaken hands with everybody. There's all 8 lines coming from that. So there's no more. We could put a 0 there. Okay? So, what are we adding? How many line segments or how many handshakes have taken place? 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So we need to add the numbers 1 through 8. So if you want to do that trick that we just did, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. So it really would be 9 times 4, which is 36. So number 18, the answer is 36 line segments. So don't get confused on the verbiage, what they're saying. Okay? How many line segments can be drawn between 9 non-collinear points? And you're just adding 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Perfect. We'll talk to you guys later.